Dana Osgood in for Ryan today. All right, so I stepped out this afternoon. Even I was fooled. I thought, okay, I could have had a heavier jacket.
Yeah, I actually did the same thing. I was doing some kind of last minute Christmas shopping around town, and I was like, I feel like I need a warm drink and like a nice, good jacket for today.
Yeah, the chill is officially here.
Yeah, I feel like we're kind of getting in the holiday spirit, though. I know.
Finally.
At least me personally, if it's too warm, I can't get into the spirit. It's not built for Australia. High temperatures today, they were actually a little bit on the warmer side, even though it didn't really feel very warm because of the wind. Our average high temperature is 37, and most of us along the coastline got into the lower 40s, got into the mid 40s through areas of inland. But again, with that wind, still felt pretty cold. Last night we had a system go through that brought in a little bit of snow to areas inland, some rain along the coast. At this point, we are just seeing a couple of snow showers hanging around through areas of eastern Maine here, and those will begin to dissipate over the next couple of hours. But then we have a little bit more snow to talk about coming up for the rest of this week. So overnight tonight, we'll continue to kind of see those clouds begin to build in again. The rest of those snow showers will start to depart. And then we have a system that's a little bit strange in its setup. So we might see a little bit of what's essentially called ocean effect snow early, kind of around midday on Friday here. So that would be kind of right along areas of York and Cumberland counties. And then the system that we have that's a little bit larger here is mostly going to be offshore. However, some of these outer bands of snow will get close enough that areas of the immediate coastline and down East Maine especially will get a chance to see a little bit of snow. So overall, this is kind of the system here. It is fairly large, but the center is mostly to our south. So we're just kind of looking at these very outer bands on the far north side here, and they're just going to scrape kind of along the immediate coastline where we're going to see most of that snow here. Maybe a few extra snow showers inland, although not too many. So along the coastline is going to get the most snow, and down East Maine especially, because that's just where the edge of that system there is going to clip. And that's going to be Friday night, kind of overnight into early Saturday morning. And then the rest of this system will depart. Saturday will be a mostly cloudy day with a couple extra snow showers remaining. And then behind this system on Sunday, we'll have a bit more sunshine. However, it's going to be significantly colder. So the snow map for this one kind of looks a little bit silly. It's going to be right along the immediate coastline there where we'll see a dusting to about an inch of snow, kind of up to areas in the county there too. Best chance for some more accumulating snow is going to be down East Maine here, looking at about 1 to 3 inches. But I think our big ticket item as we get into the weekend is going to be simply how cold it is. So I called it resoundingly cold because here's our average temperature line. All of our high temperatures for this stretch are going to be well below that, especially on Sunday. High temperatures will struggle to even get out of the teens. Marine forecast sees 3 to 4 feet. Ocean temp is 45, and we actually have a gale watch in effect for how much wind that we're seeing. So in terms of our 7-day forecast, we have those snow flurries, kind of ocean effect snow along the coastline for Friday, and then some more of those snow showers kind of Friday night into Saturday. Saturday afternoon, that's kind of when we start getting pretty cold. It's going to be a bit windy too. But Brian, I think Sunday is going to be that day where it's going to be very, very cold. High temperatures in the teens, so that means our low temperatures will be in the single digits and negatives. And as we get towards Christmas there, we might see a little bit of snow in the afternoon on Tuesday, but kind of get that little Christmas spirit in there. But bundling up for this weekend is definitely on the table.
Sunday will be either a stay home or go shopping day.
Yes.
Nothing outside. Looks good.
In the nice warm mall.
Yes, exactly. Dana, thank you.